Welcome back. Um, if you're a new visitor, um, this is a discussion on negative SEO and the tactics that cyber criminals use to create malicious backlinks to the target websites in order to de-rank them and get them um, removed from the search engines or the search engine result pages. And if you've been following our earlier discussions, I'm sure you're going to find this interesting. Now, the image on the screen that you can see here is what we found when we were checking our website, when we were checking the backlinks today. So, starting from the top, so that's the name of the website, tekzilver.com, and we saw that somebody created a backlink a few days ago, 11 days ago. That's what it says. And coming right down to the bottom of the page, you can see that the source page and the title shows up as domain.com from a um, from a domain called buy.fyi. So that's bye.fyi, followed by a vague number, and it's linking to our website, which is tekzilver.com. Anchor text is tekzilver.com. Now this is something we found interesting, and we wanted to share it with you so that you can take the right precautions. All right, so we wanted to open this URL to see where it led to, right? And see what we found. So I'm going to fire up our Windows sandbox. There it is. I'm opening the browser, and I'm going to open that link that we found, buy.fyi followed by report and some big numbers. Okay, so as you can see, that URL actually redirected to this website called script.li. So take a look at the address bar. Okay, I'm going to close this and I'm going to open this again so you can take a look, right? So there you go. I've closed it and this is a new tab. So I've pasted that URL buy.fyi slash report slash whatever number, and if I hit enter, it's going to redirect to another website called script.li. Now, if you remember, we saw on this image that there was a backlink from this domain called buy.fyi that was linking to our website. But when we opened it in a browser, we saw that that URL actually redirected to another website and there was no backlink. And if I do a search, we don't find a backlink, right? So let's see if we can look at the source code of that page. And I'm going to do a search again. So I'm going to search for Tekzilver and we still don't find it. Now, this is where it gets interesting, right? So what these guys did, they redirected the URL from where um, from where they created the backlink, but left the backlink in the same on the same page, right? So that's the URL that was redirecting. So I'm going to copy that and I'm going to say view source and paste that URL. So I'm looking at the source code of that page from where it was originally redirecting to this other website, script.li. Now, if I search for my website, there you go. So now we found our URL, and here's another interesting part. Take a look. So there's a bunch of domains in this URL. So all kinds of domains. Here's one, and here's one. So we're going to go all the way to the beginning, and we're going to copy this. So after that, I I put it in a notepad to see what exactly it was. So simple as that. I'll just open a text document and I pasted it. So this is a whole bunch of I do a word wrap and I see that it's just a bunch of junk, nothing but URLs and URLs. So then what I did, I I closed this one and I saved that all of this as a HTML file. I just opened Notepad, for example. I open Notepad++, and I pasted that whole thing, right? And I'm going to save it as a HTML file. I'll put it on the desktop and I'll call it 2 because I've already saved the similar file with the name 1.html. So I'll call this 2.html and I'm going to save it as HTML. Hypertext markup language there. So now this has become a HTML file. Let's close this. Okay, it's saved, and let's close this. Okay, there it is. This is the file that we just saved, and look what we got. So this is a link farm. They try to hide it in a page that redirected to some other domain. And so that's why it's important to check every backlink that's linking to your website so that you don't have any malicious backlinks that could trigger a penalty from Google or Bing or any other search engine for that matter. Let me, okay, there it is. So that's our website. So this is a whole lot of junk. Actually, I think I can show you one other example of how cyber criminals hide the malicious backlinks. So here's another one. So it's called resonance whatever labjo.com. So I'm trying to find something. It's not fetching anything. So there's a whole lot of junk out here. So I did a control U to view the source, page source, and now you can see that there's a whole load of malicious backlinks that are pointing to different websites, and all of them are trying to imply that they're selling backlinks for whatever 25 cents or whatever. So this is how people create malicious backlinks to websites. It's amazing that you have people who spend their time and resources and whatever to do this to other websites. But I hope you found this information useful. So be watchful and protect your websites and protect your business. All right, thanks.